Oh, hi guys. I wanted to talk to you about wig groups, why I love them, the differences between them, and why everyone should be part of one. When I started my wig journey, the first place I went to was the internet, and it brought me to what I have come to absolutely love and adore, and that is Facebook, in particular, wig groups. There are so many hair loss support groups, wig groups, buy, sell, trade groups, just so many things out there. And I just went in and joined all of them. And some of these groups I've been a part of for 5+ years at this point. They've become communities and places that I just love to go and be with all of these people who are like-minded, going through the same things I'm going through. I have made true, genuine friends from these groups, and I just love that it has brought so many people together, and it is such a community for all of us. It's just a great place to be and a great place to hang out and a great place to show off your wigs and have fun and cry and be mad and be angry and upset too. And everyone just kind of rallies around you and is there for you, which is really awesome to see with a group of people who've actually never usually met each other. Hey guys, I wanted to step in and remind you, if you haven't yet, make sure you go over to our website and grab your Wig Passport. This is a free all-in-one wig guide with a bunch of wig tips and tricks to help you along your wig journey. Now back to the video. So there are 3 categories, I would say, of groups out there in the wig community. One is going to be your hair loss support group. Another one would be a buy, sell, trade / support group. And then you also have what you would call support groups / kind of fan pages that are run by companies themselves. So there are some pros and cons to all 3 of these, and I think it's kind of important to be in a couple of each. So when it comes to buy, sell, trade groups, a couple good things about those are you can kind of get an idea of wigs out there, different companies. There's a lot of people coming together to sell and trade their wigs. You can get them at great discounts and prices. It just makes it a lot easier for you to kind of see what's out there before you go and spend a ton of money. It's also usually a really great support group as well. I've never been in a buy, sell, trade group where I couldn't ask a question that was wig related. I couldn't post a picture of myself in my wig and get opinions from people. So it's kind of a combo situation, and you kind of get the best of both worlds when it comes to those buy, sell, trade groups in the wig community. Another group that I absolutely love, and probably a group that I started out with first, would be a hair loss support group. So a really great thing about hair loss support groups is you don't have to actively be wearing wigs to be in one of these groups. You don't even have to wear wigs at all if you want to be in a group like that. But also helping you with your hair loss journey, answering questions that actually pertain to not just the wig side of it, but the fundamental side of it, where we're all kind of coming together usually because we have some type of hair loss. So that is always a great support system to be a part of. Those groups tend to have been around a lot longer, so you get really seasoned wig wearers and people who have just a wealth of knowledge, and it's a great place to go and start when you are kind of starting out and figuring out what you want to do next. And the last one I wanted to talk to you guys about is the what I call support / fan group pages. So a lot of wig companies out there have created their own communities, which are absolutely amazing to be a part of. And along with the communities that they've created, they've also created online groups to kind of bring all of those people together, share pictures of the wigs that they get, things they love about the company, any questions they have or issues they have with the company's wigs, customer service, just any aspect of the company in general. You'll see these groups. Most wig sellers have some type of support group going on. There's tons of them that I absolutely love. Those groups are great because there's a bunch of people that are getting together who all love the same company, the same wigs, and you can see them all on different people in different lightings and different settings. And it really gives you a great idea of a brand if you are very interested in a specific brand and finding out more information about them. There are so many reasons to be a part of these great groups, and there's also always going to be cons. So make sure you do your own research, and if a group doesn't feel like the right fit for you, there are plenty more out there for you to look into. I'll go ahead and make sure to link a couple of my absolute favorite groups out there in the description below, so make sure you check those out, go over and say hi and let them know I sent you.